Hello, my name is Alina and I'm a founder of Liberi Laeti Creative and Educational Center. Our center name translates from Latin as happy children. And that's true, children here are really happy. Our mission is to provide high quality education by empowering every child with the freedom to choose their own subjects and their own path of learning. We offer a broad and diverse program that covers both primary and secondary school curricula. If your child wants to speak or read or play musical instruments or maybe learn how to draw, needs extra support with subjects such as algebra, science, get prepared for GCSEs, our highly skilled professionals are here to guide and support your children every step of the way. Here at Liberi Laeti, we provide fun, safe and free environment where learning becomes exciting adventure and combining teamwork with individual discovery. Everyone is welcome to be part of this enriching journey. Why to choose us? First of all, we are gadget-free environment. We are entirely offline educational center. Our center operates every Saturday, including during school holidays. We also have amazing and highly skilled teachers. All of them hold 1, 2 or more university degrees. We also provide a broad range of subjects where children can explore different subjects and try new ones every week. Small children can learn something what their peers in secondary school. There is no limits in learning. Every child is provided with materials that suits their readiness and curiosity. For example, a 6-year-old can explore complex theorems if it's aligned with their interest, like building a spaceship. It's never too late to start. Children can pick up a new subject, language, skill, even if they missed it in school. You can try different activities. Children encouraged to explore and switch between activities, whether it's playing music, singing, learning chess, or diving into science. Here at Liberi Laeti, we inspire every child to discover their individuality, find their passions, and develop their learning skills while having fun.